What's going on? Welcome to Level Up Finance, where we teach about money, mindset, on the road to get millions, the 3 M's. On this episode, I like to talk about mindset. If you want to get rich, if you want to get things done, it always start with the mind. Always start with like, hey, I want to do this, I got to do this and get to it. For example, if you want to be rich, you got to have a plan how you're going to get rich. I'm not rich yet, but I'm going to be rich. You have to have that mindset. That's the mindset I have, and I want y'all to see the progress of me being from where I am now to where I'm going to go, because I have a set plan how to get there. I have a set plan how to fix my credit. I have a set plan how I'm going to work out and lose weight. You have to have the mindset right so you could achieve certain goals. On the road to get money, get millions, get rich, be financially secure, you just can't hope to get rich. You can't wish to get rich. You can't hope, wish, and pray to get rich. You got to work to get rich. You got to dedicate some of your time and energy, resources to get rich. This thing don't fall in your lap or you will be rich. And you got to know, your goals, like the number you want to be financially secure. Is it 10 grand a month? Is it 20 grand a month? Is it 100 grand a month? Is it $1 million a month? What's your number? I already know my number. My starting number anyways. My starting number is $20,000. $20,000 a month. I need to make $20,000 a month profit in my pocket after all expenses for me to feel like, okay, I'm good. I'm financially secure. All right, this is stage one. What's my next stage? 50. My next stage after that is 100. My next stage after that is 200, 300, and 100K. Level up finance, level up your money, level up your mindset. You got to learn different skills too. You can't level up your finance, level up your money, level up your mindset by doing the same old thing. You can't be in your car all the time just listening to music. Listen to rap music, listen to whatever music. It don't matter what music, but certain music just talk about the same old thing. And what is it doing for you? You listen to this music today and you listen to it years ago, you listened to it when you was a kid. Did it bring you any money? It was just entertainment, it sound good. Sometimes you gotta be like, hey, that's not really doing anything for me. Let me turn this off, or let me listen to a podcast. Let me listen to an audiobook. Let me read a book. Let me go to a seminar. Let me go to some type of forum, a museum, or some type of thing where it can enrich my mind. Your brain is a muscle too, so you gotta do certain things to stimulate your brain. Not the same old things. So when I start reading books and listening to podcasts, researching certain things, I found out it's a whole different world than I know, that I didn't know. I didn't know this world. It's a world where, money, you can basically create money like an ATM, because, the amount of money you get depends on how much value that you bring to the world. Jeff Bezos, for example, bring a lot of value to the world. On Amazon, look what Amazon do. It's in your life. Look what Google do. It's in your life. The biggest companies is in your life every single day. You can't basically live without it. Apple, iPhone, iPad, iMac, AirPods. It's in your life. It's something that's, I don't know, it's very, very big in everybody's life. If you don't have it, you know about it. That's how big it is. So if you create some value in people's lives, then you will get more money. And I started realizing that. So I started changing my mindset when it came to that. I'm like, okay, I got to do this. I got to do that. I got to do things I actually like to do though, and build this and build that and level up. But first it started from here. You plant that seed, let it grow. All right? And you think about what you want to achieve, what your goals are, why you doing this. If you're just doing this strictly for money, that's not a good enough why. If you're doing this for your children, like, hey, when I go, I want to leave them assets, a whole bunch of assets, whole bunch of money, whole bunch of businesses, a whole bunch of everything, you know. You can leave them that. That's your why, okay? And you gotta think how you're gonna get to that so you can give them that, all right? And I'm at that stage right now. I'm building my mindset up good, and it's been years. Honestly, it haven't been just, 1 year, because a lot of things I didn't think I could do, I'm doing it. And last year I was in $50,000 of credit card debt and debt. I had banks call me every day, credit card companies call me every day, bill collectors calling me every single day. It was so bad, it went to the court. They started taking money out my check. And this was earlier last year, 2020. It's 2021 January. Hey Google, what's today's date? Yeah, today's January 13th, 2021. All right, and March of 2020, that's when I started my journey. And I'm almost complete with the credit thing. I fixed my credit. I worked hard at my credit because I had my mind set to get that done. Now my next, I'm almost out of the woods, but I'm basically there. I'm almost out of the woods with that. Now I'm focused on how can I get to the next stage of leveling up my finance so I could be financially secure, financially free, in control of my time, do what I want to do. All right, that's freedom. Take the chains off. I don't know. It's gonna be a long road, but I'm telling you, don't listen to music every day. You don't need to watch every single Netflix show. You don't need to binge watch everything. You can just turn off some things, turn off social media, turn off Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all these different things. They just distractions. On the roads to get millions, your mindset is probably the most important thing, because if you don't believe you can do it, you're never going to do it. If you don't plan on trying to do it and work hard to do it, you can't hope and pray and wish and hope and play the lotto and think, hey, I'm going to be a millionaire for the lotto. It doesn't go like that. I mean, you can. Somebody probably saying, hey, you can't win if you don't play. Of course, you can't win if you don't play. That's why I'd rather play this game. I'd rather play the business game, the corporate game, the money game, because it's a lot of winners from this game. There's not a lot of winners from lottery, All the people that play the lotto, look at the percentile. It's nothing close to the people that work hard at trying to be a millionaire. Really, really dedicated their time, effort, and resources to being a millionaire. The majority of them became millionaires. I guarantee that. Because you just gotta figure out what your skill sets are. If you don't have any skill sets, work on some skill sets. If you can't obtain any skill set, then you get other people's skill sets, as long as you have an idea. You have an idea and you execute, all right? You push forward to get it. Because me, $20,000 a month, free, clear, is in my pocket, I feel like I will be rich. So that's level 1 to me. Level 2 is 50. Level 3 is 100. Level 4 is 200. Level 5 is 400,000, and so on and so forth. You got to have different levels. Level up finance. So what I want to leave you with this, just level up your mindset. Your mindset is the most important part of being a millionaire, being successful. You got to dedicate certain things, habits. You got to change your habits. You got to dedicate certain resources towards achieving your ultimate goal, whatever it may be. But your mindset first, all right? So just put down the book. Put up the book. Put down the remote, turn off the BS music sometimes, and just focus, meditate, and have your mind clear so your mindset can really evaluate what's important and what's not important and go to your goals. All right, so I'm gonna leave you out with that one. Till next time, level up finance.